So, this is Chris for Hidden Room, and we're on Sullest. We are checking out the drop zone mode for the Battlefront beta. This will be the last mode that we see here. Whoa. Alright, good start. Yeah, but this is the drop zone playlist for Battlefront. We're on our last night pretty much, so trying to get the most out of it before it's gone forever. Shit.
Escape pod now belongs to the Empire.
Yeah, that'll be this will be a boring video if I just hang out here. So
Scanners are picking up the location of another pod.
let's go pick up some pods. Now, what a lot of this gameplay is turned into is see a pod, toss a grenade. Wow. Oh, look at that. Alright. Now, we were supposed Steve, Dave, Jordan, and I were all supposed to play tonight, but schedules got, schedules are complicated, and it didn't work out, so that's why this video's been kind of put off a little bit. We've been trying to coordinate this, and it just hasn't worked out. Maybe when the actual game comes out, we'll get something together. But until then, this will be your taste. Now, look at the lighting. Yeah, I know, there's a battle going on. I should be helping my team. I'm usually trying. But, this one's about you guys. And we're doing well. They don't need me. What difference can one man make in the galaxy? Let's charge up our ion shot. Oh my god, my aim. I'm shooting like an actual stormtrooper. So, oh yeah, let's pop out here. But yeah, this has been nice. I wish I could give DICE my money now and just keep it. Let me keep playing this. Like, if I promise you my money, let me keep playing this. I'm really enjoying it, but it's about to be gone forever. So. Oh, for a month.
Location and capture it.
I could have made it there before them. I got greedy. I wanted those kills, which I ended up not getting anyway. Yeah, worth it. Kept the pod. No, we didn't. We lost the pod. Still worth it. Ah, listen to that music. This is. Yeah, no, they're all intense. I was gonna say this is a more intense mode. It's a little faster paced, but like they're all pretty intense. I'm really looking forward to getting the full game and seeing any other maps at this point. I mean, I'm really. These are great maps. These were great ones to show the game off with, but I've spent the last 3 days on 3 different maps, and I can get to you over time. Shit, this guy's smart. He didn't take my bait. I was hoping to distract him long enough to get closer. But yeah, that's another thing. I should have made this video earlier when I was doing better, but now people have gotten used to I'm back, I'm dead. Now people are used to all the usual strategies, so I'm not as effective as I was. I still have a good match here, a great match here and there, and pretty good overall, but it might have been a more impressive video if I had done it whenever people... Oh, look at that, though. I'll take it. I have a choice. Like I can return that. Sorry, I'm kind of rambling today. Fuck, I love this game. And I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to pop out there. I'm sure there's a setting I can adjust. Oh, that guy got so lucky. So lucky. Oh, he outplayed me. Did you... You know, after this entire beta, I am still not sure if there's friendly fire. So, aren't you guys glad you came to me for information? Yeah. The streaks.
We have seized the escape pod.
Ooh, I hate when that happens. That is frustrating. These,
Our tracking beacon has
damn it. I died for you guys. I wanted to show you something. This terrain's kind of pockmarked with, well, a lot of stuff, but let's see if we can find one of the things the things I'm thinking about. Good match. So, that's Sullest, this is Drop Zone, and I'm Chris for Hidden Room. See, can you see? Yeah, see these little ground buttholes? Yeah, they're everywhere. They damage you. Oh! I guess I'm still playing. Guess I should pay attention. Guess I should ruin this guy's night. Yeah! For the Empire. And I'm defeated by a rock. Ah! Too late to kill me. Look at that. Even when positive kill death. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. I know you didn't enjoy it as much as I enjoyed the beta, but you know what? You should have downloaded it and played it yourself. It was on PS4, Xbox One, and PC. As someone mentioned in the comments. I did forget to mention that before, so thank you for that. See you guys next time. Thanks. You know, one of these days I'm going to remember to shut this off before I say goodbye. Thank you again.